Tursus has a plan to make Goa net zero over 2024. We solarize, hybridize. But wait, we need your help. Join the revolution. Give a missed call on 8286938286.
ना कितें जातलें न्हू आतां एक कडेन कंप्लीट जातकूच मागीर लोकूच दिसतलो कितें तेमी त्रास कितले घेतला ते सो इट इज नॉट दिस आय अंडरस्टँड दॅट द people understand that whatever we have done is for their benefit and हांव तुका कितें केल्यार न्हू मातशें टायम लागतात न्हू मात्र सी this is not a new city, this is an old city. From old to convert it to create a new infrastructure, basically it takes time. You got to dig the old one to make a new. So I appreciate the people of Panjim for having patience, and I apologize that so long it basically took to complete. But by May 31st, it should be complete.